Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Paterson on the Dungog branch of the Hunter Line. Departing on platform number 1, we have Endeavourset class leader N1 now departing platform number 1 for Dungog service. Next up is Hill. Next up, Martins Creek.
We've got the Rail Motor Society. We've got some rail motors. There's 620 classes.
Just over there, we have got some 620 classes at the Paterson Rail Motor Society. There's a 621 and 721 in view of the camera.
Yep, things there. Few old civil trains. This is a nice.
Give you guys a pan of the area. That's looking north towards Dungog. That's looking south towards Maitland. We should have 5BW4 passing platform number 1. NR100 will be the leading loco.
And shortly about to pass platform 1, we have 5BW4 led by NR100. Smell pretty fast.
The trailing locos are NR19 and 9305. And it's on its way to Wollongong. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Paterson Station now has the orange New South Wales Trainlink station signs.
The X-Grafton XPT.
We should have NT36, the X-Grafton XPT, about to pass platform number 1. Coming around the corner any second now. Oh, here we go. XP 2007 is the leading power car. XP 2012 trailing. Its next stop is Maitland. They're followed by Broadmeadow, Fassifern, Wyon. We have Endeavourset N1 now arriving on platform number 1, with the next stop being Minder River if required. They're followed by Talara, Maitland, Victoria Street, Medford, Fortin, Beresfield, Warrabrook, Waratah and Hamilton. Endeavourset should be N1. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. And I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.